Meanwhile, dum, 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 dum.
Huh? What's that? Something must be wrong up there if the vultures are coming.
If the bald eagle's coming to tell me something.
I have to go back.
Like your pants are in the way. Brum, brum, brum.
Huh? It's the cops! It's the cops! What do we do? What do we do? Grab the snowman! Grab the snowman! Quick! Yeah, he's heavy! Out of the cave! Throw the snowman against the wall! Quick! Didn't work! Oh, yes it did! It all crumbled! Get inside the cave! Get inside! I'll bring the ice! I think we're safe. Perfect. Ooh, a crystal. Really? Let me see. It's right up here. Up where? There. I'm pointing at it. Ooh. Wait, can you grab your hand? Wait, let's see if can you see the cup?
I think he knows you're in here. Ooh.
Uh-oh. Quick, duck down into the darker part.
Oh, wait a second. We could. Wait a second. We could get out there through that hole in the roof.
You're right.
We could escape. Just gotta be careful. Give me a boost.
You give me a boost, you two. Remember, I know how to get you out of jail, but you don't know how to get me out of jail. So, you give me a boost.
The ice back in place.
Stop standing on my head, boss. I got it. Now you stand on your other brother's head. You stand on your brother's head. Okay.
There you go. Whoops.
You're not helping.
Hold on. I'll make it back. Okay, I'm good. There, you made it up?
No.
Oh, sorry.
I'm kind of stuck on the floor. My ankle's twisted. Oh, you step on me and get up. Okay. I'm trying. I'll help you up.
Yeah.
Come on. Get up. Come on. You can make it.
I'm missing a hand.
Okay, next guy. Come on, we can pull you up. Come on.
I'm not feeling very good.
Let them catch me. No way. I'm not breaking you out of jail again for letting them catch you.
All right.
I'm barely... Okay, his brother, hold on.
I got it.
Okay.
Made it.
Now we just have to jump down.